and welcome back to my channel. Do I have a treat for you? Calling all my bareMinerals girlies. Whoa! What have we here? Oh my goodness, these are brand new, just in from bareMinerals. Skin Rescue. 3 serums for 3 different things, and I am beyond excited because I'm telling you what, bareMinerals is coming out fast with so many good things. It's unreal. I'm so excited. I've got so much to show you. I've been kindly sent these from bareMinerals, and I've got so many other things to show you as well, but I have to show you the skincare because it's brand new. You're gonna want to see this, and I'm just so excited. Like, I've got to show you. First of all, can we just, the packaging. I mean, the packaging, these are glass. The packaging is so beautiful. It's just gorgeous. We've got 3 serums here. So let's get into it. Oh, look at the color. Look at the gradient of the color. If you're someone like me who actually really appreciates the way something looks as well as the efficacy of something, like this just looks elite. And I've got to say, wow, I really do. I'm going to start off with this. This is the bareMinerals Skin Rescue Pure Moisture Serum, 1% PGA plus plant algae, intense hydrating booster. Now, these serums have been 10 years in the making, and they are specially formulated for the most sensitive of skins, rosacea skins, acne skins, but they're potent enough so you get results. This is your moisture booster. Now, I have used this today under my bareMinerals Original, and if you are someone who has ever struggled with your application of bareMinerals and you thought it's looked cakey and you didn't think it went on and it didn't have coverage, this little beauty is an instant game changer. You get your little pipette like that. You add 2 to 3 drops. You can wear this underneath your moisturizer or on its own. I put it underneath my, look at that. I put it underneath my SPF. Look, this has got no scent. When you feel this, it's just, look at my hands now. Look at the sheen on this. That has just soaked in with minimal rub. I put this on this morning. I put my SPF on and I buffed in bareMinerals Original, and it went on so smoothly, like the smoothest that it's ever been on in all my life. It is gorgeous, especially now that the seasons are changing. It's getting a bit warmer. Your skin's starting to go through that phase of change of, temperature. This is a beautiful serum to add in to your beauty regime. It's your moisture booster. So if you've got oily skin like me, this and your SPF and you're good to go. If you are looking for some extra boost, some hydration, you want that plump, juicy skin for spring, this underneath your moisturizer, you're gonna see and feel the results. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is your Skin Rescue Pure Moisture Serum for anybody, all skin types. Then we've got Pure Glow Serum. This is 10% vitamin C and rainbow seaweed brightening elixir. So I've got the little boxes here. Look at that. Look at the packaging. Isn't that gorgeous? I have to read the box because my brain is like a sieve and I can't remember. So dual action technology works instantly and over time, clinically proven even for sensitive skin. Skin Rescue Pure Glow Serum is powered by a dual patented sensitive base, 10% dual sourced vitamin C, rainbow seaweed, visibly reduces the appearance of dark spots, age spots, dullness, discoloration, revealing healthy, beautiful, toned skin. Now, let's pop this on this hand. Ooh. Again, these have no fragrance. They're fragrance free and they just absorb, look at that, into skin. There's no residue. It's just in your skin. Boom, radiance. It's going to help with your dark spots. It's going to help with discoloration. Your Pure Glow Serum. So if you're looking for a bit of a glow, you're feeling a bit tired, a bit lackluster, a bit dull, generally you need vitamin C. I've told you if you watch my skincare videos, you need a vitamin C in your routine. This is great for your morning routine, to get your vitamin C onto skin. And it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Again, if you've got sensitive skin, if you've got rosacea or acne, sometimes vitamin C can aggravate that, can make you more red, can make you more reactive. Again, this has been formulated for the most sensitive skins. They're always thinking of the most gentlest way to get results. So you don't have to go through those horrible peeling stages, red stages, stinging stages, burning stages. This is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Again, works with any of your moisturizers, works with your SPF. I use this with my SPF on top. I'll use my skin booster if I feel like I'm dehydrated or I want to use it in the evening instead of a moisturizer, or if I just need an extra boost. Your vitamin C Skin Rescue. Okay, and then finally, we have got Skin Rescue Pure Smooth Serum with 5% niacinamide and chibula, lines and wrinkle corrector. So, this has got 5% niacinamide plus chibula extract, formulated to visibly improve skin texture by refining smoothness while diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and delivering intense, long-lasting hydration for skin that appears more rejuvenated and youthful. Again, a beautiful serum. I like to use this at night. This has got a slightly different scent to it. They're all fragrance free, but yeah, they're all fragrance free. This has got slight scent of something. I think that's the niacinamide. Again, this is stunning. Again, use it under any moisturizer that you want. I like to use this at night under my moisturizer. Sometimes I use it on its own, but it just smooths out skin texture. Again, if you've someone like me who've got textured skin, but look, I feel like my skin looks better than it did yesterday. It's like smoothed everything out. bareMinerals, you're just so good, bareMinerals. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. You don't need to have all three. You can just think about what's your main concern. Is it dehydration? Is it lines and wrinkles, fine lines, aging? Is it dark spots? Is it pigmentation? Is it texture? You can choose one of these. You don't have to have all three. You pick one that you think you need the most. All of them are absolutely beautiful. You can wear them however you want to, underneath moisturizers, wear them together, however you want to. They are really, really, I mean, I want to say that this is the game changing of bareMinerals. The packaging is elite, like I said. The product is just, but no, he's barking. So there you have it. The new Skin Rescues from bareMinerals. I highly recommend. Just have a look at the reviews online. They're amazing. But you know, if it's good, I'm going to tell you. So I'm going to show you one more time. So remember, but I'll leave all the details below. Skin Rescue Pure Smooth Serum, fine lines and wrinkles. Skin Rescue Pure Moisturizer, Pure Moisture Serum Intense Hydration Booster for really dehydrated skin. Maybe you're living in a dry like climate and you need that hydration back in. And then you've got the Pure Glow Serum, which is going to help with pigmentation. It's going to brighten that skin. It's going to help with your skin tone, even stuff out, and give you a lovely, gorgeous, juicy glow for spring. So let me know if you've tried this. If you're going to try these, let me know which one you pick up. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to come back to you with some more bareMinerals because I've got some lovely things coming up. I hope you're well. Take care. Please subscribe if you're new, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.